Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to introduce the basic theory of the Adobe Primer Pro. So when you can select the files you want to import. So I'm going to import my video and the voice recording, and also the video's cover. So the cover is image format and the voice is MP4, and the video, just click the import. So as you can see now, it's not in the right order. So you can basically
Today I'm gonna introduce
change your you can click the arrow, which is the selection tools, to change your sequence. See, this is my video and this is my voice recording, and that one is the music. So I'll just place them in the right order, and then you can do some editing. When you want to cut in your video, you can use this tool, the razor tool. So if you click, see, it's been cutting in the of this your video. Also you can adding some text in here. So probably I'll say I'll adding some, say, for example, I just type one. And if you want to add in some effect of your text, for example, I want the text to do some animations. Probably you can go to the scale setting. So for example, I want if I want to the text is growing bigger and bigger, so I can set from 50 to 100, and then when you play it, the text is growing. And also, as you can hear, the sound is a bit louder, so you can scroll here. You can change the volume of your background music, and you can basically use this tool, and then you can try again.
Hello everyone, today I'm gonna introduce the basic animations in 3D Max. So firstly we can create
So so you can do lots of editing in the Adobe Primer. So once you're done your editing, you can export your file, export into the media. And just remember the location you have to change of the original setting. If you don't change, you can't find your files. It will confuse you. So also, if you want the video in a really high quality, you can change the setting and just click more in here. And as you can see, basically you have to change the qualities in here. So you can choose 4K, but it will make your files really become really large. So I reckon you can choose the high quality 1080, and you can scroll down to the bitrate setting, and if you want the video is in a really high quality, you can choose the CBR. And that's the two most important setting you need to change. So once you've done that, you can export. It takes a while. Okay, and now you have your video.